Hello, my name is George Escola. In this video, I'm going to cover my progress in the Success Challenge for Affiliate Marketing by the 4%. In previous videos, we have covered session 1, 2, 3, and 4, and in this session, we're going to cover session 5. Now, session 5 is a $0 to $1 million plan, which Vick presented to us. This is one of many $1 million plans that Vick talks about within the Success Challenge. So we're going to take this one on and follow it in Vick's footsteps as he builds his. In this session, in step 2, Vick revealed that instead of using a test hub and showing us how to build a test hub, he is actually going to build a personal hub and show us exactly what he does to take his business from zero, starting from scratch, to $1 million in 12 months. Now, the goal is to make at least $5,000 in the first 30 days, but in 12 months, he wants to get his business to $1 million. And he presents here a $1 million plan, his plan of how he's going to get to $1 million. And I am going to follow in his footsteps and take my hub to $1 million a year in 12 months. That's our intention. And in step 2, he lays out the complete $1 million plan and what we're going to do to get there. And then in step 3, he talks about the hub legal pages. And it turns out that 4% has paid attorneys to update all the legal pages for us. All we had to do was download the legal pages onto our hub and change out the LLC name, which we were all instructed to go get an LLC for our business. Every business needs to have its own entity, and so the LLC will be that entity for my hub. And so I went out and got an LLC. The LLC is Our Freedom Path LLC. And so I'm using that throughout all the legal jargon, all the paperwork. We linked all the legal pages to our hub and put them in the footer menu. So I'll show you that in a moment. Vick again went through the $1 million game plan of how we're going to get to $1 million in 12 months. So that was pretty exciting. He also interviewed a fellow 4%er, Kelsey Simon. Kelsey is taking the Success Challenge along with me, and he's been able to set up his site and start earning some money. Vick interviewed Kelsey, and so Kelsey could tell us what he was doing that was working for him in order to earn $2,500 in one day. So that was pretty exciting. A fellow student is showing us how to charge ahead and get it done. It was very inspiring for all of us. Now, in step 8, we were asked to submit our hub. So I have done that. I have submitted my hub for review, and hopefully on a future session, Vick will review my hub. So that'll be pretty good. And then we have the Laws of Money, which is a Bob Proctor video, and that is also well worth watching. Finally, we did a review of the whole thing. So now I'll show you how I put the legal pages into the menu in the footer. So let me go to my web page, my hub. This is the home page of my hub. And if we go down here to the footer menu, you can see that we put all the legal jargon here. I will show you just one so that you can see where we have added the LLC into the document that was given to us. And so everywhere we had the 4%, we put in ourfreedompath.com, and that worked throughout all the legal pages. So that's how that was all set up. Let me go back here just to complete. In the next session, session 6, we will be activating the cash machines, and what that entails is adding to our hub the funnels for the different offers that we're going to present using a tool called Webinar Fuel. So we'll take a look at that next time. That's about it for this time. Click the button below and subscribe to the channel if you have not yet. And click on the bell so you'll be notified when I post future videos. I would also like to invite you to visit my hub and to view any of the blogs that interest you there, and to see what else I have on the blog. There's some other information. There's some free items if you care to pick them up on my site as well. I'll leave the link below to my site. I hope to see you there. We will see you on a future video. Thanks for watching. Bye now.